Hello everyone, Captain Spidey Fist here, and we just got this RS Helmets half lid in the mail just a little while ago. And I've got Spidey Fist Jr. here. He's gonna help me review it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and open it up. So go ahead and pop that open, buddy. So we've got the black orange one. It has the nice racing stripe down the middle. It's got the little white stripes on it. Flipping it over, we'll take a look at the inside. So for your strap here, it's going to have the teeth, which help it to lock in place. So you just slide that in, and then you can just lift the tab. Comes right out. Super simple. The inside actually has a lot of padding. It is a very, very well padded helmet. Looks very good. We'll go ahead and let Tim try this helmet. It's got a nice matte finish to it. It's not super glossy, but I really like the way this looks. That's a good looking helmet right there. You have the adjustment straps here on the bottom. Nope, look up. There we go. You can adjust it to be tighter, so we could adjust it to where it fits him a lot better. But this is a helmet that I ordered for my wife.
Tighten it, Daddy.
You want me to tighten it? I'll tighten it after the video, okay?
Okay.
But it is a helmet that I picked up for my wife to wear while we ride e-bikes. So something that I wanted to do is wear a motorcycle helmet, DOT approved helmet, and these are DOT approved, while we ride our e-bikes, just because we're going to be on the road. We have to really watch out for cars, and anyone who has low-sided at 20 miles an hour knows it does not matter how fast you're going, you can still get hurt. Even if your bike can only go 20 miles an hour. So that's going to be it for the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like and subscribe. I'm Captain Spidey Fist.
Captain Spidey Fist Jr.
And we're out of here.